Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So here I have some acrylics from Saviland, and I have been wanting to try their acrylics, so I'm so happy that they sent this to me. And I'm just going to unbox this and show you guys what it looks like inside. So here's what the acrylics look like after I have took them out the box, and it does come with 10 little jars of acrylic. So once I took them all out of the box, at the bottom there's a little pamphlet on how to properly do your nails, and this is very helpful for beginners, so I do recommend looking over this. So once I looked over the pamphlet, I went ahead and turned over the little jars so that you can see the colors better, and I separated the glitters from the solid colors, so once I go to swatch, I didn't have any glitters sticking to my brush. So I'm just going to show you these colors very quick. So once I was done with these solid colors, I moved on to the glitters, and these glitters are just so gorgeous. So when working with new glitters, you want to make sure that you shake up the container so that the glitters and powders can be evenly mixed. So now that I have showed you guys these acrylics up close, I'm just going to swatch them on this paper towel, and I'm using my not polished monomer, and I'm also using my not polished brush in the size 12 or 14, I'm not sure, but I will make sure that I leave the link to where you can buy these acrylics down below if you are interested. This was my first time using Saviland Acrylics, and I really enjoyed it for my first time. I had no problems working with it, like it was a very easy process. These are all of the colors side by side, and these are very pretty, like the color combination match so good together. Although I don't have a discount code, but I will make sure I link to where you can get this down below. So on to the nail set. I did already prep my nails. In this video I won't be doing a step-by-step of explaining to you guys what I'm doing like I usually would do. This video will be more like a watch me work type of thing. And as you can see, my hand is in a different angle, so I'm trying this new angle that I have been seeing people do when doing their nails, and I thought maybe it would be easier to rest my hand on something. So comment down below if you like this angle more, or if you would like to see me do videos the other way. But I really would like you guys' honest opinions. It would really help me out to like put out videos more to your liking. But like I said, yeah, with these acrylics I didn't have any problems working with them. I really enjoyed it. The consistency was very nice. The coverage was also very nice. They weren't too runny, especially with this not polished monomer. I'm not sure how it would react with other brands of monomer, but with this one it worked very good. And also this clear I'm using is from Your Secret, and I really enjoyed that because I haven't used that clear in a long time. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this process, and I will come back later whenever I feel like I need to let you guys know something or explain. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. So moving on to my middle finger, I wanted to just go ahead and explain this just in case some of you guys were wondering, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys will already know, but just in case for the ones who don't, I wanted this nail to be like clear with just a hint of glitter. So I'm going in with the clear first just because that glitter acrylic is just like so overpowering, and like it's just so much glitter in it. So I added the clear first so that I can have some clear spaces with a hint of glitter on top. So once I was done with my application, I went ahead and capped the nails with that Mia Secret Clear, and then I also filed off camera using my 8080 grit nail file from Pana and my Melanie Susie nail drill with my ceramic safety drill bit. And then here I'm just going to top coat my nails, and the top coat I'm using is from my cart. I'm just going to top coat my nails, cure that. Once I was finished curing the top of my nails for 60 seconds, I also went in with the top coat underneath. Then I also cured that for 60 seconds as well. And then once I top coat, I'm going to add some cuticle oil, and then I will be done with my nails. And after rubbing in the cuticle oil, this is how my nails turn out. I will make sure that I leave the link to where you can get these acrylics down below from Saviland. And like I said, I did enjoy these nails are super cute. And I will say, like, once I added the top coat, I will say it kind of made the nails look a little bit fat. I'm not sure why, but I did file these nails pretty good. I think it was just the top coat. But comment down below what you guys think, and make sure to leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.